Hi everyone, and welcome to week 9 of Writing 213. So this week in our media, I've included some resources for you to learn more about multimodal tools. And in one of the assignments, I'm inviting you to think more carefully about how you're going to display information in your last paper. So one of our short assignments this week is a rationale for your mode. And you're really just going to, send me a few sentences explaining the mode that you're going to use for your presentation and why you chose it. So there's a lot of good reasons for displaying information in different ways, and when it's purposeful, it's going to be most effective. So I invite your creativity. I'm enjoying reading your research papers. It's going to take me at least a few more days to get through the batch, but I'm really impressed with the way everyone has been interacting with source material. This is our second to last week of the summer session, and this week is more smaller assignments that should help you build your research project. So you have one more source summary and review, and ideally you'll just be able to take that citation and pop it into your project. So you're doing little steps along the way, and hopefully you take that in as a practice that you should engage in. Also, purposefully summarizing your source makes it a lot easier to interact with in the paper. You're also going to send me one sentence that's just telling me the problem that you're engaging. That sometimes takes a lot of careful thinking, but when you can say the problem in one clear sentence, you're setting yourself up for success in the project. Same thing with a purpose statement. I'm asking you to tell me in one well-constructed sentence what the purpose of your project is, and the thinking that goes into that should help you organize going forward. So our last project is due next week. In week 10, the beginning of the week, I will ask you to submit your draft and we'll engage in peer review. And then towards the end of week 10, the last day of the semester, you'll turn in your last project. And then during finals week, I'll ask you to submit a short course reflection in lieu of a final exam. So that's what we have in front of us. Keep clipping forward, and you can look forward to getting a response from me on your research paper this week. Take care, everyone.